Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Zero X Pro, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System. Now let's enter this Reset Phone option. And as you can see at the top, we've got the option we're looking for, so we can reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. So let's tap on this option, tap on Reset Settings. Of course, we will have to confirm everything with the screen lock, so let's do it. And as you can see here, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.